how to decrease with a single crochet 2 together. This is how the single crochet 2 together looks like. Start by putting the hook through the first stitch, grab the yarn, put the hook through the next stitch, grab the yarn. Now you should have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull the yarn through all of the loops. Let's try it again. Put the hook through the stitch, grab the yarn, put the hook through the next stitch, and grab the yarn, yarn over, and pull through. Congratulations! Now you have learned how to decrease with single crochet, which is also known as single crochet 2 together. Good luck with your projects and happy green crocheting!